Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily update Instagram app to the latest version in 2024. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. I'm on my iPhone, you can follow the exact same steps if you're on an Android. So let's get started. So first of all, there are two basic ways to update any application. The first one is to simply go to the App Store or Google Play Store and then simply search for that particular application, let's say Instagram. And now if it says update, you can simply tap on update and the application will be updated to the latest version. But if it says open, technically your Instagram is already updated to the latest version. But if it says but you don't have access to the latest features and you want all the latest features and you want to update Instagram app to the latest version, you can do one thing. You can go to settings of your iPhone or Android, whatever you have, then go to general and then iPhone storage. If you're on an Android, you can go to settings and then go to apps and then go look for Instagram app like this, and then you'll have to clear cache of Instagram and then uninstall it and reinstall Instagram app. And if you're on an iPhone, you'll have to offload Instagram app and then you'll have to reinstall it. Basically what it will do, it will delete all the cache files and corrupt files of Instagram app in your iPhone, and it will force update Instagram app to the latest version, and you'll be able to use all the latest features of Instagram app. I hope you have found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.